Hi, welcome to my channel this week. Today I'm going to be shave testing quite a nice little razor. I got it from an auction in England. It's been neglected a little bit. I think somebody's just used it a couple of times, usual sort of thing, and then put it down, just left it. However, it's quite an interesting little blade, made from the best silver steel in Sologym, which is always a good make, good name. It's got really nice, this was all covered in all sort of unmentionables really. It had a lot of watermarks on this side, and there's still a few watermarks. I don't know if you can see. And it's made by Dorko, West Germany, and it says CADIZ SPECIAL. And on the cracked ice, very nice cracked ice scales, you've got Koh-i-Noor. So it's cleaned up really nice. I don't think it's been used very much. Maybe it looks like it's just been used a couple of times, because when I started to refresh the blade, it really responded very quickly. And as you can see, I've got quite a woolly growth. It's about 7 days, something like that. You can probably hear it cutting. It sounds aggressive. I know it does sound quite aggressive, but it's not. It's really smooth. You don't feel a thing. You can always tell a good quality blade when you start to hone. When you start to hone the blade, even just setting the bevel on, I use a 1000 grit stone, and just a few laps to reset the bevel, and it was already picking up your arm hairs. So that's a really good indication, you know. It's only going to get better from there. This is virtually a week old, this growth, and it's just demolishing it. Little tash out of the way. Getting quite long now, is the old tash. That's always a good test around this area. Just see how sharp a blade is. If it's tugging at any place around there, then it's not shave ready. There we go. Sculpts the whiskers quite nicely. So I would say it's highly recommended for somebody who's new to straight razors. It's good quality make, fantastic steel and really sharp. Nice shaped rounded point, so you don't have any problems about slicing your earlobes. If you're new to using a straight razor, all you have to basically remember is keep your skin tight, keep your skin stretch with your thumb. Your skin surface is virtually flat, so it'll just slide over your skin, no problem. And when you're going into corners, just sort of scoop it. As you can see, I'm using the full length of the blade. I'm using the heel in here, this part, the heel. And then the full length of the blade along the edge, and then the toe, the front part. So I'll be listing this one in my Etsy shop later on today. Just touch up those whiskers. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and we're probably doing another shed test after the weekend. So that's your nice little CADIZ Special Koh-i-Noor. Nice cracked ice scales. Nice little gem. Okay, thanks very much for watching. I'll catch up with you next week. Thanks. Bye.